Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am a Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes.
What kind of yes?
I no, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, sorry.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because it's a high salary and for my future child.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, hello, good day. I thank you for having an opportunity today. My name is Marlene Luz. I am 35 years old, widow. I have one kid. He is 14 years old, and I'm
Okay,
not
it's okay. I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? When is your birthday?
October 4, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 157.48, and my weight is 55.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am undergraduate college,
In what course?
Bachelor of Education.
All right. So you are a widow. Do you have boyfriend right now, or live-in partner, or what?
I have a partner right now.
You are living. This one you're living with one roof. Your
Yes,
live-in
yes,
partner.
yes, ma'am.
So you are not a widow anymore, lah, because you have a live-in partner.
Okay. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My live-in partner right now, he is in my house.
Okay. How old is your live-in partner, and what is his occupation?
He is 31 years old, and he is installer, fabricator.
Is your kid boy or girl?
He is boy.
All right. What about your family? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and I have one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I am younger.
Okay. What about your mother and your father?
My mother is no work and my father is deceased.
How old is your mother?
She is 57 years old.
All right. So, do you have any work experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, I have.
In which part of the Philippines?
My Metro Manila,
How many years you work there?
3 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started her is January 2022, and after now,
Until recently.
yes,
All right. So, what is your job responsibilities inside the house?
my responsibility there is cleaning, gardening, washing clothes. Sometimes I cooking.
You do ironing?
Yes, I do.
Did you take your children or any elderly inside the house?
Yes,
What kind of yes? Taking care of children?
I'm taking care of children of uh, child of my boss.
How old is the children? How many children?
One child,
How old?
one child. She is 2 years old.
All right. So, what will you do if homesickness strikes you? Because this is your first time working abroad.
When I'm when I am homesick, I'm stay. calm and focus my work. And after that, I use my phone to contact my family.
All right. So working as a domestic helper is not that so easy. It is a
Yes,
very, very tough one. You need to get
yes,
ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. As working here is we are not playing, and this is a 2 years contract, and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is very big one. Okay? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned, this is a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna convince me then if you can finish your 2 years contract?
I will do all the tasks, and I promise myself to finish my contract.
Okay,
Whatever.
so once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, alright? And
Yes,
using of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine. You can come, work properly. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your kids also at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Marlene. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay po, ma'am. Thank you so
I think
much.
that's all for now. Thank you for your time. Please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you so much
Okay.
and have a
Yes.
good day. Bye.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.